Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Art with Mrs. Bodden. So today I'm going to show you how to do a cute little origami flower. This would be great as a cute little present for your mom, or a Valentine's Day present, or birthday present, something kind of fun for a mom, grandma, family member, somebody you love. Today I will also show you how to make a cute little stem to go with it. So you have a little flower, you can make a little stem, and then you are good to go. You're going to need a piece of paper. I'm going to show you how to turn this into a square today so that you can do your origami flower with me. To do that, you're going to need a pair of scissors, a pencil, and then if you want to do the stem, you're going to need two pieces that are strip paper. These are about an inch, and they are just a normal piece of paper length, like your copy paper or your printer paper. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to swap cameras so that you are back to my other camera so you can see what I am doing. So we got to start with a square. So you're ready? Let's swap cameras and we'll get started. Okay, so here is my plain piece of paper. Yes, I'm on a messy mat because I did not want to have to go get a messy mat when we go to get to glue later on. So here is my plain piece of paper. I went with yellow because I love yellow. We first need to turn this rectangle into a square. So I'm going to take this corner and I'm going to fold it down so that this side lines up with this side. So that's going to divide this corner in half. So folding it down, lining up my edge, and I'm going to look right here and I'm going to make sure that I fold this corner in half. If I do not fold that corner in half, I don't actually have a square. Then you want to make sure you crease it nice and good. You can hear me creasing it. Now, I've learned over the years that you guys are way better cutting on a line than me telling you to cut right along this edge. So that's where we need our pencil. You're going to take your pencil, you're going to trace that edge mark. Then if I open it up, I have a line to cut. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my scissors, and I am going to cut my line. Now, I do not need this piece of paper anymore, so I'm going to set it to the side. Now I'm going to take my square, and I'm going to fold it top down. Make sure you crease it nice and good. That's going to help you later. Then I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to fold it in half the other direction, side to side. Crease it nice and good. Then I'm going to open it back up. I have a middle right here. We are going to take all four of our corners and we're going to fold it to the middle. So folding corner number one, corner number two, corner number three, corner number four. Now, make sure these are good and creased. So pick your paper up, crease them all really good. You're going to like your results a lot better if they're creased really good. Now we have a square. It's a smaller square. We still have a square. We're now going to take our corners again and fold all four corners to the middle. Make sure you crease them. Now, if I'm going too fast, you know how to hit the pause button and slow me down. Or pause me so you can catch up. Okay, so now I'm back to my square. What I'm going to do is I'm going to still pick it up and I'm just going to crease it one extra time because I want these nice and crisp because it's going to make it easier for the next one. Okay, so my next one, I'm going to take my four corners. This will be the third time I do this. I'm going to take them and I'm going to fold them to the middle. Now, this is probably the hardest part, is you're folding so many layers together. That's okay. You got this. Fold them all into the middle. Then you're going to take your fingers. I'm going to pinch them and run my fingernails across them, make them nice and crisp. This is going to make your flower look a whole lot neater. Okay, so now we have our square folded to the center 3 times, which makes it smaller. We're now going to unfold, but we're going to unfold in a certain way. So we're going to take our top triangle, we're going to bend it up, but we don't want to unfold it totally. We want to just bend it. So part of it is still overlapping our square. Then I'm going to turn my square. We do the same thing to the next one. And we want to make sure that these are all folded out about the same amount. So there's all 4 of them folded out about the same amount. And I'm going to go through, I'm going to take my thumbnail and I'm going to press it down and scrape along mine to get them nice and crisp. Okay, so after this, we're going to go into our center one more time. This time we're going to pull out this section and we're going to fold it to touch this corner right here. So we're going to fold it, increase it, fold it out, increase it, fold it out, increase it. So there we have it 4 times. So what we've done is we've done the outer layer and we've done the inner layer. And your inner layer should pop up like this. And we'll fold those up in just a minute. So I'm going to push them back down again because it makes it easier. We have one more set of corners we're going to pull out. So we're going to take this right here and we're going to fold it back to here. Yes, I just took whichever corner I could easily grab first. Okay, make sure those get nice and creased because then they'll pop up better. Okay, so now you're going to take and you are going to gently, hang on, I got one that doesn't want to fold up. You're going to gently kind of pop those up so that they stand up. And there we have our little flower. It's 3-dimensional. Now, if you want to make a stem, you need your 2 pieces of long skinny rectangles. Mine are 8.5 by about 1 inch. I'm going to take my glue stick. I'm going to take one piece and it's going to be laying horizontally side to side. I'm going to stick glue on just one end. Then I'm going to take my other piece and I'm going to put it vertically into my glue. I'm going to line it up so my corners match. And I've got an L shape. I'm going to take the bottom layer, which is my horizontal piece, and I'm going to fold it up and over my vertical piece. Then I'm going to take my vertical piece, I'm going to fold it down. Then I'm going to take my horizontal piece, I'm going to fold it back over to the other side. My vertical piece back to the top. Horizontal back over to the other side. Vertical back down. Horizontal back over. And you're just going to keep doing this until you are totally done with your 2 strips of paper. Now you get to the point where you're at the top. What do? You get your glue, you're going to put it on your top piece. Then you're going to fold it over, stick it to the bottom. So now your whole stack is glued together. Makes kind of an accordion fold. Now we're going to stick glue on this part, and I'm going to turn my flower over to the back, and I'm going to stick it on the back side of my flower. Now, when I do this part, I turn the flour over because then I can make sure I stick it in the middle. And I press it down really hard. And then you've got a cute little stem to your little flower. So your flower kind of pops up and moves. If you wanted to glue this to the front of a card, you could do that. If you wanted to glue this inside a card, you could do that as well. If you want to just make a bunch of these and stick them in a cute little bowl or a vase, that would be kind of fun too. So, hope you had fun making origami flowers with me today, and I will see you again soon. As my kids tell me, I need to tell you to like and subscribe, so like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again soon. Have a great one. Bye.